Welcome to a demonstration of our Office 365 coexistence in Teams' modern WebCenter interface. We'll start off logging into a Windows machine using our enterprise credentials. This single sign-on authentication enables us to use the platform and associated features without having to keep entering credentials. Let's open a browser, Edge in this case. But instead of going directly to the modern UI, we wanted to be clear that no prior session had been open. I'll do this by clearing the cookies from the browser. There. Now we'll open a shortcut. You can see the brief interlude where the system uses Microsoft Azure to authenticate the user, then the interface loads. Welcome to the modern UI. The new Office integration option enables a couple of additional visual features. The first is this icon in the header. Clicking here takes you to a list of documents showing which items you currently have online editing sessions open for. At the moment, just this one document. Back in the home screen, if we select an item here, or in any location where an action palette will appear, you'll see the new icon for Start Online Edit. Clicking begins the process in a new tab. Again, identity is confirmed against your SSO credentials, and then you're taken to whichever O365 application is appropriate for the document selected. In this case, Word Online. Here's our document, direct from the WebCenter repository. Let's make a small edit by adding a sentence. You could also invite colleagues to collaborate with you if you like. There. At the top, you can see that Word has automatically saved the changes. If we close this editing session, it's not actually gone. Back in WebCenter, we can use the Online Edit List feature, and now we can see that there are two documents. Clicking on the arrow icon will reopen the tab to Word Online and continue your editing right where you left off. When you're done editing, you can select the item and engage the action palette again. Now you'll notice a different Office icon, this one for Finish Online Edit. You can choose to engage this from here in the list or from anywhere you have access to the action palette. Let's try it from home. When we select the document and click the icon, we're presented with a check-in screen. This allows you to edit the metadata of the new version of the document you're checking in. Let's make a small change and then submit. The new version is downloaded from Word Online and checked into WebCenter. Remember, this process only works if you and your fellow collaborators have closed your editing sessions. Click on the document and we open a new preview tab. This item was just checked in, so it's not done indexing, but we can see a new version, 14, has been added to the system. If we switch the preview to the incoming version, now we can see the edits that were made in Office 365 and the metadata I added at check-in. If you would like more information on the Office 365 integration or on the WebCenter Enterprise Content Management System, head to our website for additional brochures, demos, and contact details. Thank you.